topic is principles of programmed learning. Program learning is one of the important innovation teaching method, and it is the careful specified and systematic planned process and effectively controlled self-instructional technique for providing individualized instruction to the learner. And it is the applications of the principles of behavioral science and technology in the field of education. And we have to see the principles. What are the 5 principles of program instruction? Principle of small steps, principles of active responding, principle of reinforcement, principle of self-pacing, principle of continuous evaluation. Principle of small steps mean the subject matter is broken down into the small steps, and students can take each step at a time. And it is shown by experiment that even the dullest students can learn effectively. Learning is better when the material is presented in a small step, and it reduces the rate of committing errors and encourages further learning. Next, principles of active responding. Programmed learning is one of the principles of active response. Is based on the principles of active response. The learner has to construct response. Programmed instruction provides the information in the form of small steps, and each step is required to be responded by the student. Hence, the learner should be actively involved in the learning material. Next, we see the principle of reinforcement. Programmed instruction involves giving immediate reinforcement to the learner. When the learner responds to the frame, they do not know that these responses are correct or wrong. The learner learns better if the response is confirmed immediately. The confirmation provides the reinforcement to the learner. Next, we see the principle of self-pacing. It recognizes the individual differences of the learner. The principle is based on the assumption that every learner can work each step as slowly or as quickly, depending upon her pace. It satisfies every learner's need. Some can learn things at a quicker speed, and some can learn things at a slow time in a slow time. So it satisfies the every learner's need. Principles of continuous evaluation. The programmed instruction is based on the continuous evaluation. By recording the responses of the learner, it helps the student to learn and grasp the material given in each frame. The learner leaves the record of his or her study for each step in response sheet. Helps to improve the quality of programmed material through checking the number of errors at each step. In the conclusion, these are my references. Thank you.